If you're out in the open and you hear this sound, it's already too late. The rules of global security didn't just change, they evaporated. We are officially entering the era of the autonomous swarm. We aren't talking about a soldier sitting in a container box with a joystick. We are talking about 500 micro-drones dropped from a plane, operating on a single collective mind, running on an algorithm that is legally terrifying. Today, we look at the physics of the Hive. How do you control 500 drones at once without them crashing into each other? The answer is you don't. You don't control them. You give them 3 simple rules based on Boids, the computational model of how birds flock. Rule 1. Separation. Don't crowd your neighbor. Rule 2. Alignment. Steer toward the average heading of the group. Rule 3. Cohesion. Stay close to the center. By programming these 3 basic physics boundaries into each tiny chip, the swarm creates emergent intelligence. They don't need a central computer. If you shoot down 10 of them, the rest of the grid instantly recalibrates the math in a microsecond. It's a weapon that gets smarter as you kill it. But here's the genius and the scariest part of the 2026 models. They don't use GPS. If you turn on a massive electronic jammer, older drones fall out of the sky. These new swarms use optical odometry. They use tiny $2 cameras to track features in the environment, a rock, a tree, a building corner, and calculate their position based on how fast those objects move across their lens. They are entirely blind to radio jamming because they are navigating using pure visual geometry. They don't need to talk to a satellite. They just need to see the ground. The sky isn't just empty space anymore. It's an active network. The slice of safety we had by just hiding behind a wall is getting thinner. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe to SciSlice, because the future isn't waiting for anyone. Stay sharp.